Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on how to operate the TREKon mobile app. To get started, go to our website alternativetrack.com, then scroll down to the Apps section near the bottom. From here, choose to download from Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. In this example, we will demo the download from the Apple App Store. If you have trouble downloading or installing the app, be sure to reach out to our support team for assistance. They will be happy to help. Now that the app has been installed, we are ready to move on to the next step. For first-time users, register an account by clicking the Register button at bottom left. From here, choose a username and password of your desire. Notice at the bottom right of the login screen, there is a Guest Login. Guest Login will only give you viewing access, so be sure to log into your registered account to use the app's full features. Enable and allow Bluetooth on your mobile device, so it can connect to the charger. There are two ways to connect the charger. One is by using the mobile device's camera to scan the QR code on the top of the charger. Once it detects the charger, simply press the Connect button on the right, and there you have it. The app and charger are synced. The second method is by manually inputting the serial number on the charger. The serial number can be found below the QR code. You may want to keep a record of the serial number in case the label becomes unreadable in the future. Now that the devices are synced, let's first look at the Algorithm tab. This tab shows all the available charging profiles we have in our database. The top box shows the algorithm available for download on our cloud server, while the bottom are those already downloaded to the device. You should see a couple algorithms preloaded to the device by our team. From here, you are free to remove or add algorithm to the device by clicking the X or plus button. Remember to press the download button in order to sync the profile to the charger. Then the charger's LED panel will show the corresponding profile code. You can add a maximum of 8 profiles to the device. Next, we'll look at the Sync tab. Here you can choose from one of the many languages available. Under Operating Modes, you can switch to the battery repair mode, which is available in some of our models. We will cover the battery repair mode in another video. Heading back to the home screen, you can see the real-time charging status of your battery here. Abnormal conditions are shown in red text at the bottom. The OTA tab allows firmware updates to be done seamlessly. Last but not least, we have an history function that allows users to download the charging data and export in an Excel format. And there you have it, one app and charger that will revolutionize your charging experience. Be sure to check out our other videos for in-depth topics. Alternative Track, more ways to power your future.